And the last one is a little extra story from our own subreddit r/ripe stories, and it is not about legal advice, but it is just a little extra. It is titled, Dad thinks his money is his, but Mom's money is theirs. This is kind of a mixture of entitled parents and life stories with just a pinch of choosing beggars. To preface this, my father ED is a selfish man, but in the most passive-aggressive way possible. My grandfather, on my mother's side, died when I was 9, and he was the foundation of our entire family. But to ED, apparently, he was the most important person in his life. After my grandfather's death, everything went to crap. ED would make plans with me and then out of nowhere cancel and go hang out with his friends. This would happen with a big show every year. When I was old enough to have a job, he would either only give me 2 days notice about it or tell me about the show 2 weeks prior, cancel the plans with me, and then make new plans with his friends. Here is a couple of petty things from recently to start out with. My mom accidentally used ED's card on insert large retailer website here. ED made a comment about it, literally complaining to my mom about how she used his card and not hers. She paid him back for it and asked her why she did, and her response, "Because you mentioned that I used your card, so here's your money." Because of this, I made my own insert large retailer website here account to avoid any issues with ED moving forward. Next, I was going to give ED my old phone. In no way, shape or form was it like my new phone now, but it was 1000% better than the phone he has now, which was a free piece of crap. I told ED that there were payments still owed on the phone, somewhere around like $30 US. He didn't want to make the payments because he wanted to get a new phone that was free, which I don't think you can do anymore. He gave in, but would constantly complain about how he wouldn't have a free phone and how he would actually have to pay money. Mind you, ED is not poor, nor is he struggling for money in the slightest. In order for him to shut up, I gave him $100 towards paying down the phone for his birthday. No thank you, just, "Well, if he gave me money, the world is about to end." Last year, my grandmother died. This will be important later. She left a sizable chunk of change for her 3 daughters. My mother was the executrix for the estate, so she held the power of money distribution. My grandma also left all of the people in her direct family some money, my cousins, aunt and myself, excluding ED and uncle, since they were not direct family/bloodline. My mom, of course, was the one to hand out the money to everybody still. ED made a comment about this, saying, "Well, why didn't I get a check for it?" My response to him was, "Dad, that is your wife. Why are you making a big stink about it?" No response from him after that. Now for the big fun, ED and MT mother are doing a whole bunch of renovations to their house. They finished their living room and office and redid the whole kitchen with oak wood cabinets and granite countertops. In order to do this, they chose a financing option. ED wanted to use the money that my mother got from my grandma, all of it. Plans were to split the cost 50-50, but now that ED wanted to use all of the inheritance money, this pushed my mom to make some rough decisions to hide the money from my father. Sorry if I didn't make much of this part of the story, but this is ongoing and I don't want to saturate this with unnecessary information. Well, sorry for the ramble. If you have any questions or want to know more stories, I've got plenty. And guys, unfortunately, we have already reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed today's stories, and if you haven't already, please also go to patreon.com/ripeyoutube, where I upload exclusive Reddit videos starting at just $3 a month. This is a great way to support me in case you are interested, and the chance for me to become independent from YouTube revenue. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't